I'm currently working on my business website, and this is built on Angular. You can see here it is running on localhost 4200, which is the default with Angular. However, when it comes to testing on mobile devices and tablets as well, I generally run this on my local network as opposed to the local host. Now, this PC that I'm recording on is on this IP address. This is the private IP address. So I'm basically going to show you guys how to achieve this. It's fairly straightforward. And if we take a look at my project here, you just basically need to add this into your package.json. But just for the sake of demonstration, we'll actually start a new Angular app and I'll just show you how to do that. So first thing you want to do is open command prompt. So what I like to do is go to my development folder. So go in here and demo, and then if you just type in cmd, this should open your command prompt. So now what we're going to do is just generate a new Angular app. So if you have Angular, you can always check with ng-version, and this will tell you your latest Angular version. As you can see, I'm running the latest, which is 19 as of this video. So I'm just going to do an ng new and demo local network. Now we could just go with the defaults, but I'll actually just pick what I usually do, which is SCSS. So yes. Do you want routing? So we're going to go no with that. And this is going to generate a new Angular project. So we'll just wait for this to complete and then we'll come back to it. Alright, so that's completed. It actually takes a long time to generate a project with Angular CLI. So what I normally do is just type in code dot, and this should open up in VS Code. And actually, sorry, let's go back. We need to cd into the project. So yeah, cd and then demo, and we're in here. So we'll do a code dot, and this should open up in VS Code. So again, it's fairly straightforward. We just need to go into the package.json and we just need to add in a new key value pair. So we'll go over here and just copy this into the script. So it's the exact same. Of course, you can rename this. And yeah, so we'll just go into the script and we'll just paste it underneath the original start. So we'll save that. Now, of course, because it's a new project, we also need to do an npm install. So I'll do an npm I, and this will install all the packages, and then we can run the application. So yeah, we have the node modules. So of course, normally what you do is an ng serve, but we are going to just do npm start run start, and of course we do a colon and lan. Now I actually do want to change something here, because obviously we're already running my current application on 4200, so we're just going to change it to 4201 and we'll save it there. And yeah, so we'll just do an npm run start lan, and you can see it's doing an ng serve in 4201. Yeah, so we'll just do a no for this default, and you can see it's building the project now. It might take a little while because it's the first time that we're running this. That was actually pretty fast. So there you go, you can see this. And just for the sake of demonstration, we'll actually go to Windows Sandbox, so this can be seen as another mobile device or tablet on your local network. So we'll do 192 and then 4201. And we'll just load that up and we should be able to see the Angular project. So there you go. So that's how you do it. It's fairly straightforward, really simple, really useful if you're testing on different devices. But yeah, if you have any questions, do ask me down below, and of course don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.